Yeah, I mean, she looks like an alien, really. An adorable little alien. Like, how have you been? Has it been back at... Oh, did you get the kind of, yeah, the disruption? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah. Well, that was true. Yeah. No, it was just like, I was so glad it finally started to happen. I was getting pretty